Hi guys, I apologize for my terrible mic quality, but I want to show you guys this redstone contraption. So here's how it works. Basically, the furnace will cook this cactus and put the green dye in this double chest. Once this double chest is completely filled, this redstone lamp will turn on, which means that the farm is ready to be used. So if we go to one that's full, you can see this double chest is full and the redstone lamp is on, which means we can take this green dye out of the furnace and we will get a ton of XP all at once, which you can use to mend your tools. Then you press this button and it will automatically drain this entire double chest and start filling it up again. Okay, welcome to the creative test world. As you can see, the design is very compact for how it works, and I'm going to show you guys how to build this thing. So you start by having a furnace, and this is the input for the cactus, and this hopper back here is the input for the bamboo or whatever fuel source you decide to use. Okay, so we're going to start by putting a double chest right there and having a hopper feed into that. Then we're gonna have a dropper facing upwards, and then have a hopper going into that there, and there. That way it feeds into it at double speed. Next, we are going to place a block there, and we're going to grab a couple redstone supplies, some comparators, redstone dust, repeater, an observer, along with a sticky piston. Okay, so we're going to start by placing a comparator there, and a comparator there, like that. And we're going to ignore this comparator for now. And then we're going to have a repeater there going into a solid block with a observer there, and then on that observer we're going to put a redstone. Then after you place that observer there, we're going to go down 2 blocks and place 3 redstone dust like that, and then a sticky piston right there. Okay, next after that we're gonna place a button right there next to this hopper. Go 2 blocks down and place a redstone dust there. Okay, then we're gonna place a lot of dust into a repeater. And then we are also going to go this way, and we're going to grab 2 target blocks and put them there and there. And then we're going to grab some redstone torches and place them there and there. And these redstone torches should be right under these 2 hoppers, which is under this double chest. And then what we will do is we'll put some redstone dust there, and there. Okay, now that that circuit is complete, we're going to go back to this comparator right here. We're going to place a block there, and 2 blocks like that. Okay, we're going to put 2 redstone dust there, comparator with a comparator, and then we're gonna right click on this comparator to turn that light on. Next, we're gonna need a transparent block, so you can use glass, or you can use top half slabs or stairs or anything that's not a full block. And that block, yep. Okay. Next, we are gonna grab a redstone lamp, put it there, and make sure to keep using a transparent block there. And then this has to be a solid block there in order to turn on this redstone lamp. Okay, next we need to place a chest right here, no, there, and fill it with that many, this many sticks, and that should work just fine. We just have one more circuit that we have to build, so we're going to go up from that block, place a comparator there, into a sticky piston with an observer pointing that way and an observer pointing that way. And what this circuit will do is when you put in some items like some sticks, the dispenser will, or the dropper will just dispense it out. Okay, and oh, and then we also need a lava source, or you can also use fire if fire spread is off on your world. That will also work. And we're just gonna put the lava there, and voila. Okay, so now we can just build a little platform or something. This is where ground level should be. We can test the system. I'm just gonna add some blocks for aesthetics. Okay, now we can test the system. Okay, and then as this fills up with items, for the you only have to do this once for the first time you activate the system. We need to update this observer, and that block should be retracted. And we can test the system. So once it fills up all of this double chest with green dye, this redstone lamp should turn on. And then if we press this button, you can hear the clicking, which means that the dispenser is dispensing all of the items and everything should be working. And that's it.